Intro. Want to make your first six figures with AI in 2026? Start here. Seriously, I'm not playing around. Forget everything you've heard about needing to be a coding genius or a tech wizard. The game has completely changed, and I'm about to show you exactly how. The people who get rich from this next wave of AI are the ones who take action right now, not the ones who just keep watching videos. This isn't some far-off dream. It's a real, tangible opportunity that's sitting right in front of you. I've spent hundreds of hours testing these tools, and I've boiled it all down to the absolute essentials. This video is your blueprint. I'm giving you 5 actionable tools, showing you exactly how to use them, and laying out one clear way to monetize each, and I'm doing it all in the next 6 minutes. There is absolutely no fluff here. We are moving fast. Every second of this video is designed to give you a step-by-step plan you can start using the second this video ends. I'm literally handing you the keys to potentially life-changing income streams. The only question is, are you going to take them and start the car? I've broken this down into 5 insane opportunities. Let's go. Chapter 1. First up, Runway Gen 2. This is insane. Quick hook. Create viral video assets in minutes without a camera, without actors, without anything. Generate entire video clips from a simple text prompt. Type, a cinematic drone shot of a futuristic city at sunset. Watch a high-quality clip appear seconds later. This isn't science fiction. People who master this will win. Core capability, generative video and AI-powered editing. Use case, create B-roll for your YouTube videos, make mind-blowing special effects, animate static images to bring them to life. Think about how much time and money this saves. A traditional video shoot can cost thousands of dollars and take weeks. With Runway, you can generate more content in one afternoon than a small production company can create in a month. Day 1, get client. Day 2, create videos. Day 3, get paid. It's a complete paradigm shift for content creation. So, how do you monetize this? It's simple. You can become a one-person ad agency. Go to local businesses, your local coffee shop, a real estate agent, a gym offer, to create a package of 10 short-form video ads for their TikTok and Instagram reels for $1,000. Chapter 2. Next on the list, we have Claude 3 from Anthropic. The hook for this one is simple: high-quality, long-form reasoning and business planning. This isn't just a chatbot for asking simple questions, like having a team of McKinsey consultants, Ivy League researchers, veteran business strategists, on call 24/7, for pennies. It understands context. It can analyze huge documents. It provides nuanced, detailed answers. Next level for complex tasks. Focus on reliability for deep research. Creating professional business pitches. Developing productized services. Feed it a 200-page market research report. Ask it to summarize the top 3 opportunities for a new SaaS product. Give it a rough idea for a business. It will flesh out a complete business plan. Financial projections. Marketing strategies. Potential risks. An engine for turning vague ideas into concrete, actionable plans. This is where the real money is. Build paid SaaS workflows with Claude 3. Create a service that generates hyper-personalized grant proposals for nonprofits. Flow. Client input. Claude 3 AI. Professional deliverable. Charge clients $500. Chapter 3. Jasper.ai. Your conversion copy machine. The hook. Turn your ideas into conversion copy that actually sells, and do it fast. If you've ever stared at a blank page trying to write a catchy headline, Jasper is designed specifically to solve this problem. It's been trained on billions of examples of high-performing marketing copy, so it knows what works. Its core capability is generating every kind of marketing asset you can imagine. Website headlines, Google ad copy, Facebook ad primary text, email marketing funnels, video scripts, entire blog posts. The key here is speed and quality. You can go from a single product idea to a complete multi-touchpoint marketing campaign in under an hour. It's not about replacing marketers. It's about giving one person the power of an entire marketing team. So how do we make bank with this? The most direct path is freelance copywriting on steroids. Go on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr. While others are bidding to write one landing page for $300, you can offer to write the landing page a 5-part email follow-up sequence, 10 social media posts for $500. Using Jasper, you can deliver the entire package in a few hours, while it would take someone else days. You're offering more value for a competitive price and doing it in a fraction of the time. Chapter 4. Midjourney, your visual IP empire. Let's talk visuals. Tool number 4. Midjourney, or a commercial use model like Stable Diffusion. The hook is absolutely massive. Generate sellable visual IP entire product lines with a few lines of text. We're talking about creating stunning, unique, and commercially viable images on demand. Forget stock photos. Forget hiring expensive graphic designers. You now have a world-class artist who can create literally anything you can imagine, instantly. The core capability is high-fidelity, on-demand image generation for a massive range of commercial uses. Mesmerizing patterns for fabric character designs for a brand, photorealistic images for ad campaigns. Abstract art for album covers. The level of detail, style control, and artistic quality you can achieve is mind-boggling. This allows you to create a massive library of unique visual assets that you own and can monetize in countless ways. You are no longer limited by your own artistic ability. The easiest way to start is with a print-on-demand store. Generate 100 unique designs in a specific popular niche. Cyberpunk cats, vintage floral skulls. Upload these designs to a service like Printful or Printify, which connects to an Etsy or Shopify store. The service prints it and ships it for you. You just collect the profit. 10 sales a day at $15 profit is $150 per day. In nearly passive income. Chapter 5. RAG platforms, your automated expert. Last but definitely not least, tool number 5 is a bit more advanced but has an insane ceiling: retrieval augmented generation. RAG platforms like Lattice or custom agents. The hook is this: automate expert workflows and scale your knowledge into sellable products. Build a defensible business moat with AI. Create a specialist AI, expert in one thing, core capability, searchable, monetizable knowledge agents. Imagine taking every book, article, and podcast about real estate investing and feeding it into your private AI. You now have an agent that answers questions with sourced, accurate info from your curated library. RAG means the AI retrieves from your trusted data before generating an answer, so it's far more accurate and powerful than a general model. Best path: subscription-based research tool. Train an agent on local zoning laws, market data, investment strategies. Sell access to agents and investors for $99 a month. Users type complex, niche questions. What are the zoning restrictions for building a duplex in this neighborhood? What has the average appreciation been over the last 5 years? Step by step, pick a niche, gather proprietary data, build the RAG agent, add a simple web UI, sell subscriptions. This creates recurring revenue and gets more valuable as you add data. It's the ultimate way to scale your expertise far beyond yourself. So there you have it. 5 ridiculously powerful AI tools that could genuinely 10 times your income by 2026. We covered video generation, business strategy, marketing copy, visual products, and automated expertise. Pick one tool, hit the link in the description, and get your first small win today. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications.